Just in time for the holidays, Larte Design unveiled their tuning package for the BMW XM. Along with the first upgraded model based on the label edition, the tuner placed its emphasis on enhancing the BMW M's flagship SUV's exterior design, decking it out with plenty of carbon fiber bling and a shiny set of larger wheels, aiming to make it stand out even more in comparison to other SUVs in its class. For the occasion, Larte picked one of the exclusive 500 units of the XM label, coated in the striking frozen carbon black hue. The tuning package includes a total of 17 components, complemented by additional Toronto Re accents that align with the car's original configuration. Up front, the most noticeable alteration is the vented hood, accompanied by a more prominent two-piece front splitter and a sleek carbon grille. The side view is characterized by the commanding presence of 23-inch alloy wheels sporting 5 spokes and aero discs at the center. The side moldings have been extended aerodynamically and seamlessly merged with the revised side skirts at the rear. The changes become even more apparent with the addition of dual spoilers and a bumper extension featuring a taller diffuser and F1 style LEDs. To top it off, the hexagonal twin tailpipes are adorned with carbon accents. The plug-in hybrid powertrain of the XM label remains unaltered, retaining its output of 738 horsepower and 738 of torque, courtesy of the twin-turbo V8 engine and a single electric motor. Frankly, there was no need for a power boost, considering the SUV can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds, and boasts a top speed of up to 290 km/h straight from the factory. Larte says that the body kit is obviously compatible with the lesser BMW XM that makes 644 horsepower. The cost of the body kit is approximately $46,274.